Dorm storage ideas. Make the most of a dorm room with our dorm storage ideas. To help make your dorm room clean and organized, here are our dorm storage ideas. I'm someone who's been chronically messy my entire life. Messy, not dirty, big difference. I'll try clothes on and just leave them strewn everywhere until I find the perfect outfit. My bag is filled with receipts that I can't seem to throw away. There's just clutter in my life. Before we try to submit me to the show, hoarders, know that a lot of this is attributed to being a very busy person who pretty much only has time to sleep in her place of residence. Everyone ranges on the scale of messy and busy, but know that there are dorm storage items to help keep your hectic dorm life together with some dorm storage ideas. For those interested in a full list of dorm space savers and other dorm storage ideas, check out our top list here. Shower caddies. Don't think for one moment that you're just going to take your shampoo and conditioner to the shower in hand every day for the rest of your freshman year. You'll also need your soap, loofah, razor, facial soap, crystals, shower cap, shower shoes, the list goes on. To attempt remembering to grab all this and take it down the hall with you is insane. My best tip is to gather up everything you usually require in a shower and then find a shower caddy that can hold all the items comfortably. Who knows, you may be someone who needs a small, durable plastic bag, or you might need a full-blown mini suitcase to carry all your goods. Either way, this item is a must when it comes to simple organization. Closet space makers. I highly recommend at least one storage hanger for your closet. These are cloth or plastic cubbies that have hooks at the top so you can hang them in your closet right next to all your clothes. They're great for items like shoes or shirts that are too nice to go on hangers. Really, they can be used for anything, maybe even for those extra hangers. And just add a bit of diversity to your closet, and can even serve as a good pit stop before clothes go back on the hanger. Plastic storage. Places like Target, IKEA, Walmart, and all the places on the World Wide Web, thanks Amazon, will have many options of plastic storage in all sizes. Since dorms usually don't come with too many dressers or storage places, bringing your own will be helpful for extra knickknacks. In college, I used a medium-sized plastic container that had 3 drawers stacked on top of each other for my makeup collection, and still use it to this day. I've accumulated one more of these for random items like hair tools and products, plastic trash bag liners, and first aid equipment. Truly, these things will help sort the random parts of your life. Jewelry boxes. Don't forget about the small stuff. Jewelry boxes are always a great way to store any small item, whether it be jewelry or loose change or spare keys. Essentially, anything small enough to fall on the floor and be lost forever might want a home in a small box where you know it will live safely. My best tip on jewelry boxes is getting something with a lot of unique and small compartments so that the small items fit snugly and aren't going to get lost within the box itself. Furniture. Bed risers can combine with ottomans to cleverly make more room under your dorm bed and offer functional decor to store things into. With a raised bed, it's easier to store your plastic storage under it. Ottomans also function as chairs or steps onto your raised bed that can include storage within them. Drawers will obviously help as well. An organized dorm can help lower your own stress levels when returning from classes and give you a space you can be proud to call your own. With the confidence to organize with dorm storage ideas, the next step is to make sure you have everything you need. Check out our full dorm checklist here. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe our channel for getting more videos on college life. Or you can visit our blog www.dormessentials.com.